Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. Now, just a quick message. I got a notification this week that Sprue Brothers, who are this massive distributor in America, have got a weekend special on Rye Field's models. Now, if you don't know Rye Field models, they produce the most exquisite vehicles. I mean, beautiful armored vehicles. And Sprue Brothers are putting 15% off of their prices on Rye Field this weekend. It just runs for this weekend, so it finishes at the end of Sunday, 7th of May. But do go online, check them out, and obviously check out terms and conditions and stuff like that. But essentially, whatever their price is on a Rye Field product, it's 15% off. And there are some amazing bargains to check out. I was taken first by this Korean War Sherman. It comes with decals for 3 very different marking schemes, including the box art of the tiger's mouth. This kit is on sale at $53.99. I also love this crazy Sturmtiger with its 380mm assault gun. You can choose the tank itself or a version with a full interior and optional clear parts for the roof. Prices are $48.99 and $80.49 respectively. For the ultimate interior, however, there is this Panther tank which has optional cutaway panels that reveal the insanely detailed interior. This comes in at $86.49. Slightly more modern is this 1981 update to the T-55 tank as fielded by North Korea. The kit is $51.49. Now, like most of the Rye Field range, there are upgrades available in photo etch, molded plastic and resin, and for the T-55 these come in at $23.99 each. Coming right up to date now is this Leopard 2A6M in Canadian service at $62.49. The upgrade kit for this, including all the anti-RPG mesh screens, will cost $50.99, but I've got to say it probably take you most of the rest of the year to build it. One of the best sellers in the Rye Field range is the superb Tiger 1 tank. The frame map looks like a city layout. There are so many parts, and it comes with a full interior, all for $74.99. But you can pimp this up a bit with some fully workable 3D printed tracks and a set of photo etch extras. The normal list on these would be $186. Now it comes in at under $150. Now, of course, Sprue Brothers is a US distributor. They will ship USA and Canada. No problem at all. Just check out online their prices. However, they do ship worldwide. So if there's something there that you particularly want, get in touch, put it in the order. They'll work out the shipping. Basically, the shipping is whatever it's going to cost plus $2. And now I think there are 2 or 3 different options of how you can ship it, how urgently you want it. Now, I know that Rye Field have distributors in the UK and Europe and elsewhere. But you know what? I've been checking out some sites, and stock can be a bit of an issue. So it could be that one thing you really want is available now, and it's worth the shipping. I don't know. Check it out for yourselves. Don't just go by what I say. Do check it out for yourselves. Everything's on there. The link is in the information box below. Go and have a look for yourself. The sale ends at 11:59 US Central Time on Sunday night, so midnight Sunday night almost. Central Time in USA is 6 hours behind the UK, so it'd be 6 a.m. Monday morning for UK buyers. In Europe, of course, you're an hour further ahead, so it'd be 7 a.m. Monday morning in Europe. That's pretty much it, really. Do check out again online all terms and conditions, shipping costs, and so on and so forth. There is a load of stuff there to choose from as well, so have fun. Just thought I'd let you know about it. Of course, if you're in America or Canada, this stuff's going to be so easy for you. Great kits, great delivery. Knock yourselves out. Have fun. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you very soon back on the channel. Goodbye now.